Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create email groups in Outlook, or how you can create email group and distributions list in Outlook. So I'm going to show in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Here I'm on my Outlook app, and I'll show you how I can create the email list. So first step, you have to go in option called the groups or people. Just click on people icon here, and here you can see the all your contacts and groups. You can see this is my groups, and I had 2 members in this group. I can edit these contacts, and I can add the member from into this groups. So I'll show you how you can create the new one. So here, just go to the new contacts groups, and you have to give the name of this group. So I just give the sales team. Okay, now I have give the name. Now I need to add the members or email ID. So go to the add members, and you can add from your Outlook contacts, you can add from your address book, and you can add from manual. So just go to the Outlook contacts, and here you can see the all contacts, and you will see the all mailbox. Here you can check contacts from every address book. Now click on this contact and just click on members, so it will be add here. Just click on it, okay, then it will be add. You can also add multiple contacts. Just go there again and just select alt, just enter your shift key and hold it, and just select the all. Okay, and you can insert it. Just go to the member, the 2 member has been added. You can also add manually. Just give the 1 semicolons here, and now you can write the email ID which you want to add in group. Now I have 3 email ID here. Just click on OK, then you can see the 3 email ID has been added. This is email ID. Now you can also delete the members if you want. Just select the member and you can delete, or you can hold the shift key and select the multiple member and you can remove it. Okay, and all has been done. Now you can also insert a note if you want. Okay, all done. Just click save and close. Then the sales team group has been done here. Now I'll show you how you can send the mail. Go to the mail, go to the new emails, and if you want to keep your group in 2, just click on 2, and here you have to select the member. Okay, and select the member and double click on it, or just select the member and click on 2. Just click on OK. Then member group name will be visible. But if you want to see the members email ID, or if you want to delete some email ID or particular email ID from this group, you can delete from here. So just click on plus icon. It will be expand your members email ID, but you can't undo. Okay, just click on plus icon, and this pop-up will become, and just click on OK. Then the email ID has been expanded. Now you can delete it if you want. Just select and you can delete. Okay, it has been deleted. Now you can send it. Just write your country and subject and send it. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.